Thrilled to introduce Apple iOS 18. It is a huge release with incredible features, including new levels of customization and capability, a redesigned photo apps, and powerful ways to stay connected with messages. There are so many benefits for everyone. Now let's look at the various features. New level of customization and capability. iPhone users have new ways to customize the home screen, lock screen, and control center. Users can now arrange apps and widgets in any open space on the home screen, then placing them right above the dock for easy access or perfectly framing a wallpaper. App icons and widgets can take on a new look with a dark or tinted effect, and users can make them appear larger to create the experience that is perfect for them. Control centers has been redesigned to provide easier access to many of the things users do every day, and it gets new level of customization and flexibility. The redesign delivers quick access to new groups of users most utilized controls such as media playback, home controls and connectivity, as well as the ability to easily swipe between each. Users can now add controls from supported third-party apps into control centers. For the first time, users can now switch the controls at the bottom of the lock screen, including choosing from options available in the controls gallery or removing them entirely. Photos get a unified view, new collections, and customization. Photos receive its biggest ever redesign to help users easily find and relive special moments. A simplified single view display, a familiar grid, and new collections help users browse by themes without having to organize content into albums. Plus, collections can be pinned to keep favorites easily accessible. A new carousel view presents highlights that update each day and feature favorite people. Powerful ways to stay connected in messages. iMessage receive all new text effects that brings conversation to life by amplifying any letter, word, phrase, or emojis with dynamic animated appearance. Users can better express tone by adding formatting like bold, underline, italic, and strike through. Tab bars expand to include any emoji or sticker, and now users can compose a message and schedule to send it at a later time. When messaging contacts who do not have an Apple device, the Messages app now supports RCS for richer media and more reliable group messaging compared to SMS and MMS. iOS 18 introduces messages via satellite for the time when cellular and Wi-Fi connections aren't available, powered by the same groundbreaking technology as existing iPhone satellite capabilities. Messages via satellite automatically prompt users to connect to their nearest satellite right from the Messages app to send and receive text. Enhancement to Mail. Later this year, Mail will introduce new ways for users to manage their inbox and stay up to date. On-device categorization organizes and sorts incoming email into primary for personal and time-sensitive email, transactions for confirmations and receipts, update for news and social notifications, and promotions for marketing emails and coupons. Mail also features a new digest view that pulls together all of the relevant emails from a business, allowing users to quickly scan for what is important in the moment. Big update to Safari. Safari, the world's fastest browser, now offers an even easier way to discover information on the web with highlights and a redesigned reader experience. Using machine learning, Safari can surface key information about a web page. For example, users can review a summary to get the gist of an article, quickly see the location of a restaurant, hotel, or landmark, or even listen to an artist track right from an article about a song or album. Readers have been redesigned to offer even more ways to enjoy articles without distraction. with a summary and table of content included for longer articles. Introducing the Password app, building on the foundation of KeyChan, which was first introduced more than 25 years ago. The new Password app makes it easy for users to access their passwords, passkeys, Wi-Fi password, and verification codes. The app also includes alerts for users regarding common weaknesses, such as passwords that are easily guessed or used multiple times, and those that appears in known data leaks. New privacy features designed to empower users. iOS 18 gives users even more control with tools to manage who can see their apps, how contacts are shared, and how their iPhone connect to accessories. Locked and hidden apps offers users peace of mind that information they want to keep private, such as app notification and content, will not inadvertently be seen by others. Users can now lock an app, and for additional privacy, they can hide an app, moving it to a locked hidden apps folder. When app is locked or hidden, content like messages or emails inside the app are hidden from search, notification, and other places across the system. iOS 18 puts users in control by letting them choose to share only specific content with an app. In addition, developers now have a way to seamlessly connect third-party accessories with iPhone without letting an app see all the other devices on a user network, keeping a user's device private and making pairing seamlessly. Apple Intelligence transformed the iPhone experience. Deeply integrated into iOS 18 and built with privacy from the ground up, Apple Intelligence unlocks new ways for users to enhance their writing and communication more effectively. With brand new system-wide writing tools built into iOS 18, users can now read, write, proofread, and summarize text nearly everywhere they write, including mails, notes, pages, and third-party apps. New image capability makes communication and self-expression even more fun. With Image Playground, users can create playful images in seconds, choosing from 3 styles: animation, illustration, or sketch. Memories in photos let users create the stories they want to see just by typing a description. Apple Intelligence will pick out the best photos and video based on the description. With the power of Apple Intelligence, Siri takes a major step forward, becoming even more natural, contextually relevant, and personal. Users can type to Siri and switch between text and voice to communicate with Siri in whatever way feels right for the moment. We can't wait to see all these new features, and I believe you will get yours. Please subscribe and share this video, comment and like. See you.